Hello. Lots of very heavy rain to come over the next several days, and at times some gusty winds as well. So make the most of the sunny spells if you've got them for this afternoon. And many places are dry and bright. There are a few showers around, however. Let's take a look at the bigger picture, because out in the Atlantic under this mass of cloud, that is where storm Alex is brewing, named by Meteo France. More on that in a moment. Ahead of it, you can see some clearer skies. Many of us will see sunny spells today. We had a lot of cloud and rain across East Anglia and Kent earlier on, and this zone of rain lingering over northern Scotland. The rain is petering out, but it is likely to stay pretty cloudy here. Elsewhere, we will have brighter skies, some sunshine around, but some showers scattered across England and Wales, some quite heavy ones in South Wales and southwest England. Already seen a few thunderstorms here, and the risk of hail mixed in too. But say many places won't see those showers, and with some sunny spells, temperatures creeping up into the teens, 15 or 16 likely. Cooler with that cloudy weather over northern Scotland, staying a bit damp and drizzly here, and staying pretty wet and windy in Shetland for most of the day. And the rain, if anything, is going to pep up again across Scotland through the evening and overnight. And the showers in the south, well, they keep going, get heavier, and if anything, turn into this band of ugly looking rain that pushes across southern counties through the early hours, accompanied by an ever-strengthening wind, and that is Storm Alex. To the north of this, though, we'll see some clearer skies over northern England, Northern Ireland, southern Scotland. That will allow it to turn really quite chilly, but some sunshine on offer here early on Friday. But the main focus for Friday really has to be this wind and rain across the south. That is from Storm Alex, named by the French weather service, Meteo France, because they will see the strongest winds from that system. It drifts northwards, but then starts to push back further south, but never really clears away from the south throughout Friday. So it's a very wet and windy day. We do have Met Office yellow warnings in force for wind and rain across southern counties of England. The potential for disruption, those gusty winds, especially lively around the coasts of Devon, Cornwall, Dorset, but over hills as well and around the Channel Islands, and the band of rain slowly creeping northwards. It might actually brighten up a little bit across the south come the afternoon. But further north, much brighter skies. Scotland, Northern Ireland, generally a fine day here with sunny spells developing and temperatures again creeping into the teens, but feeling much cooler than that with that persistent rain extending into the Midlands and Wales by the afternoon, and the gusty winds, particularly around the southwest and the Channel Islands. Now, the wet and windy weather will continue through Friday evening. Slowly, this band of rain will start to peter out, and the winds will gradually begin to ease as well. But there is more wet weather waiting in the wings, because as Storm Alex clears away, another area of low pressure approaches, and that arrives for the weekend. And that will be widespread heavy rain through Saturday, and it sticks around into Sunday as well. Notice lots of isobars around that low pressure, just sitting slap bang over us on Sunday. So there will be spells of very heavy rain around parts of eastern Scotland, southwestern parts of England, parts of Wales as well. And for some particularly heavy rain, that rainfall really building up over the weekend, the potential for flooding. And at times there will be strong winds as well. So make sure you stay up to date. There are weather warnings in force. You can see those on our website if you download our app, of course, and the best way to stay up to date throughout the weekend is to follow us on social media.